We're always told to be an active bystander, to step in when we see harassment.
But what kind of help do victims actually want? Turns out it's pretty complicated.
Get this, a 2017 study found that 80% of student witnesses did nothing at all.
So, to figure out what victims really think, some researchers tried something new.
Yep, they used a virtual reality lab to simulate a harassment scenario safely.
Participants were put in a virtual classroom where another student started leering at them.
And each person experienced one of three things: no help, indirect help, or direct help.
So direct is openly addressing it. Indirect is more about subtle disruption.
They even used sensors to measure real-time stress, getting at what people really felt.
All right, so what did they find out? First question, was the help even noticed?
Well, direct intervention was way more obvious. Almost everyone noticed it.
But just because you see it, does that mean it's actually more helpful?
Here, the difference was much smaller. The bottom line, any kind of help was appreciated. But the feelings were still complex. Indirect help sometimes made victims second-guess themselves.
And even direct help, while good, could sometimes feel a little intrusive or awkward.
Which brings up another fascinating point. Was using virtual reality the right call? Both VR and written scenarios felt realistic, but VR gave a much stronger sense of being there.
That feeling of presence made the bad feelings more intense, but there was a twist.
Turns out the novelty of VR itself created positive feelings, distracting from the scenario.
It just shows how the research tool you use can sometimes muddy the waters.
So what's the big takeaway from all this? Here are the key points.
In the end, it leaves us with a really powerful question to think about.